The actual guitar for the MOGABI V3 Guitar has been developed to be small and lightweight for the mobile musician. Here are some of its standout features. 1. Electric effect sound recording enables you to create your music with the enhanced electric effects of recording. 2. High output sound provides a 40mm full-range 10-watt speaker. It also offers SPC 79 dB by W sound output. This results in enhanced deep bass, high volume, and loud clear sound. 3. Foldable design. Heavily mobile musicians can easily carry and store their devices using the holders. This is especially convenient when they are on the go. 4. Noise cancellation. Removes any interference with the sound quality in order to develop a clear and crisp sound. 5. Wireless pairing. It smoothly connects with other devices for an easy and joyous practice. 6. Battery self-replacement. Easy battery change for your guitar so that you're always ready to play. 7. Built-in microphone preamp. Improves vocals and makes it an ideal choice for recordists who include singers and songwriters among them. Here are some of the pros and cons of the MOGABI V3 Guitar. Pros. Portability. MOGABI V3 can be easily carried anywhere due to the foldable design. Versatility. This is because the KBD computer comes with an inbuilt amp and effects. These allow different sounds and ways of playing. Convenience. It has wireless connectivity and rechargeable battery, therefore it is easy to use. Affordable price. Fortunately, the MOGABI V3 is not very expensive for a portable electric guitar. Cons. Sound quality. The built-in amp, as well as the effects, are quite acceptable. However, they are not as professional as an independent amplifier and effect pedal might be. Playability. The neck and fretboard might not as comfortable or as responsive as a full-size guitar. Limited features. The MOGABI V3 may lack some of the features and customization in comparison to the typical electric guitar. Overall, the MOGABI V3 Guitar is a good product for musicians. It is ideal for those who seek an easily transportable and versatile electric guitar. But of course, you must consider your preferences. You should also think about the specific need you intend to fulfill when choosing a payment solution. Alternatively, if you value audiophile qualities of sound, a stomp box system can be more suitable. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.